Hello, my name is John. I'm here to review this product called Storm. Storm was a software which was developed by Venkata Ramana. Venkata Ramana has been a product launcher or who has been a software developer for some time right now. Excuse me. He developed this product. It's going to be it is a web-based application which can be used on your Mac on your PC. Also, it's compatible with the with mobile application. It allow uh, money to be made 25 to $50 to be made every 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes, just simply copying and pasting. That's all you need to do. Copy and paste, and that's the money will start rolling in your bank account. What you need to do is just to grab the copy of this software called Storm, and when you grab it, it's go there and activate it. When you activate the software, then you start to earn. You start to earn. It can be used by anybody, being you a newbie, being you an experienced marketer who has not been getting any results. So this this software is a great software which will allow you to get uh, revive again. As I said earlier, it can be used by everybody experienced or a new maybe who can also come into the market and uh, just do simply copy and paste, and the money is yours. The money is yours. I'm going to show you the sales page for this great software, which I'm going to show you right now. You can see this is the sales page of this great software. As I told you earlier, that all you need to do just copy and paste 25 to $50 every 5 minutes. Was simply doing what? Copy and paste. How do you copy and paste? That will be explained in this software. The software has been have a lot of inbuilt into it, which we do all the lifting for you. You don't need to do any payment. You don't need to do any web hosting. You don't need to do any looking for email marketing. You don't need to do any what do you call it? Looking for traffics. All you need to do is just uh, copy and paste. It's a blogging plus pin interest, which is going to give you your cash. You blogging, pin interest, then you're going to get the cash flowing into your bank account. As I said earlier, look at the price of the software. Storm is being sold at $17. It's a one-time offer. It's going to increase at any moment. The product is being launched. That's why this product is being launched so fast, so that you can get the copy. You can then get the copy being launched on before the price of the product skyrockets. So let me show you the part of the sales page. That's part of the sales page you are seeing right now. Seeing the sales page is just a screenshot of what Ramala has made in just a day. Uh, let's go down and see. I can see. Grab the copy, activate it, copy and paste, then get paid. Get paid. That's what the software is meant for. So grab your copy, as I told you earlier. Grab your copy, and you enjoy the software. These are guys that have given testimony. You have Julia B, Jack U. All of them has testimony to give concerning this great uh, product. Let me show you my sales page, my bonus page, which I've already made for you, in case you wish to buy the product. So I enjoy you to go through my bonus page. This is my bonus page, which is Barasno bonus bundle. Bonus bundle. So I enjoy you to buy the product. Go to my link. When you go to my link, you see my link there. When you click my link, you are going to get these bonuses meant for you. You can see, as I said earlier, the price of the front end product is $17. After that launch, you see, the price will go up to almost $37. What are you waiting for? The producer said not many people will be allowed to grab this product because so that it will not be jam packed. So look at the prices that follows up after the launch. So go and grab the copy, and when you grab the copy, the bonuses will be all for you. One of the bonuses is, I said I made for you, I have 5 bonuses for you. How to get 90% off your advert spends for Bing or AdWords. Those are some of the one of the bonus you are going to have when you buy through my link. I also made another great alternative for ClickFunnels. That's another product for you. We also have this product called the Solo Ad List Building Profit. Solo Ad List Building Profit. That's another number 3 bonus I have also earmarked for you when you buy through my link. And the 4th one is Bing Ad Mastery Training. It's going to be training. And the last one I have here, how to turn your Gmail into autoresponder. If you don't have Aweber, if you don't have GetResponse, you can also use your eGmail, which is going to be turned into your autoresponder. So this is going to be training how you can do that, and you will enjoy that you got these bonuses when you buy through my link. I enjoy you to go there and buy it through my link. You will see my link there. When you buy through my link, you are going to get your bonuses onto your computer. Let me show you the dashboard of the product itself. This is exactly what you are going to see in the dashboard. We have the VIP training. It's going to be you're going to be VIP training for anybody that got the product. So when you got the product, training is going to be meant for you. You follow them in either in a webinar or in a Zoom meeting, so you are going to be trained. The product also have inbuilt blog builder. So that's also what you are going to have when you buy the product. The product comes with a lot of inbuilt items in them on it. So the product is the one to do the work for you. It's going to do all the lifting. You have your Pinterest pin engine is there that can generate or can allow you to generate pin and bring it onto your page. You can see if you allow it to go ahead, we are going to see the engine, the software will have a pin engine which is inbuilt in the application, as I said earlier, where you can search for pin. You can even create pin where you have an image builder. There in the image builder, you can do what? You can add images. You see, look at images. You can even pin out. You can bring out to your page when you build to the image builder. Create any pin you want. Add text. You can even filter it. You can even shape it. You can enlarge it. You can also post stickers. After you create a sticker, what do? You create your post. When you create your post, done. And that's what you begin to start to earn. So as I said earlier, this is a great software which can be used by anybody. If you are an experience who is not getting any result, it's going to be great for you. You can see how the product is working. So the guy is already creating a pin which he wants to post right now. This is exactly what you are going to see as being created after you see. So this is how it's been done. This is work of the software. It has an inbuilt pin engine. You see, it has an inbuilt pin engine where you are going to see where you're going to import and post